Hey, did you have fun? What's good, YouTube? It's a beach day. It's a beach day. It's Sunday. Baby girl is outside. Mama is setting up the umbrella. And we're just gonna enjoy the beach in New York. They said it's 5-foot waves or something like that. So probably just put my feet in for real. Splash with serenity. You ready for the beach? Okay. She's so calm. Okay. Cheese. Cheese. But yeah, it's a beach day. I got everything I need. Baby got everything she needs. We look very cute. And we're going to have a photo shoot today. It's going to be a day of content, a day of fun, family, and love. Anyways, yeah, so we're just gonna have a beach day. I've been dying to go to the beach for like years, to be honest. I just never made it. Because once you become an adult, all you do is work. Focus. Now, I'm gonna enjoy life because I have a baby. Like, why would I not enjoy life? So we outside today. Outside. I'll get back to y'all later though. You wanna hold my hand? You wanna hold my hand? Yeah, she wasn't ready. You good? It's fun. Let her hand go.
Summertime, man. Get that champagne orange juice out, you know what I'm saying? Get my Benji Blue on for a second, you know what I mean? Hey, what's up, Live? What's up, Slim? We just happy, man. It's summer here. This is hibernating, but we back now. Yeah, we just happy that the summer here. Thank God that we made it to another year. A lot of people ain't make it here, so I'm finna make it clear. J to the letter ain't playing fair. Yeah, we just happy that the summer here. Thank God that we made it to another year. A lot of people ain't make it here, so I'm finna make it clear. J to the letter ain't playing fair.
Hey, did you have fun? But where you going? You have fun? Bye. Okay, bye. I'm coming.
One day later.
I definitely think I got darker today, but I also got sunburn. I can't even wear my straps because my shoulders are hurting. But we're leaving. We are leaving.
Summer, summertime.